Hi, folks. Welcome to Database on Demand. Let's talk about the steps in the process so you can ensure this database is not just for keeping in touch with clients, but also for creating transactions and a return on investment in your business. That's the point of all of this. Step number one, you must call our customer service line, area code 909-265-4115. You must call us in order to initiate the onboarding process to get your database set up and going. Oh, by the way, what they'll do is, if you're not already on a database, we will work with you together to get you set up on LionDesk, which is our default CRM. If you're already on one of the many others that we're already using, we'll keep you on that one. If you need to transfer over from one database to another, we will work with you on the process. You need to call our line, 909-265-4115, to do that. Now, don't you dare abdicate. You delegate. Abdication means you pay us money and now you disappear. That's not how running a business works. You're supposed to delegate. Delegate means now you're using us for this process, you check in periodically. So I also encourage you to call our customer service line once or twice a month, 909-265-4115, to check in and ask for recommendations on how to improve the process, which we'll get to in a minute, okay? Let's continue. Step number two in the process. Step number two is we want to get your leads into the database from a couple of different places. If you have leads on your phone, if you have all your contacts on your phone, we can export them into your database. How do we do that? Call our customer service line, 909-265-4115. If you have leads in notebooks or handwritten or on Excel spreadsheets, it's your lucky day. Congratulations. You can either mail them to us, or you can email them to us, or hand deliver them to us. So how do you know which one to do? You call our customer service line. Shall I say it one last time? You got it, 909-265-4115, and we'll get all those leads in. Now, as you go forward in this database process, go get more leads, names, phones, and emails. Call up our customer service line and get them put in. So what if you collect business cards? What if you collect, notepads full of names, phones, and emails? Call our customer service line, and we will tell you how to get it to us so we can also add that to the database. So step number two after onboarding onto a CRM is we want to get all of your leads in there. Step number three, we're going to upload a drip campaign into your database. So we send out automatically for you an email, a text, an email, and a text every month to the people in your database, okay? Now, we send it out automatically if we do not hear from you. We're okay with not hearing from you. We're still going to share content, okay? Now, you will get that content before the beginning of each month so you can review it. If there's something you don't like, you call our customer service line and say, you know what, I don't want to send out that text that's supposed to go out on the 7th. Or, you know what, that email that's supposed to go out on the 28th, let's edit it and change the words like this so it sounds more like me. All of that's wonderful. It is your database after all, okay? If we don't hear from you, we're sending it out anyway. Okay, next one. Call us periodically and share with us, send to our customer service line some personal content, for Pete's sakes. Send us photos, send us videos, send us ideas. Call up and say, I want to send out a message for the upcoming holiday to wish people a happy holiday. Share a picture of yourself and a loved one on an anniversary. Share pictures with clients. Let our customer service know that you have a recent transaction that you want to share with everybody through the database. Add your own personal touch at all times. That's the content. Content number three. Let's go to number four. Make your campaigns more powerful. Make your campaigns more powerful. The personal touch matters, like I just shared with you. We don't want it to be all professional content. We want it to be personal as well. Add in your own personal touch to this. Okay, step five. Here's the secret sauce. The secret sauce. Messages to create appointments. So you'll notice every 6th, 7th, or 8th message that goes out is a direct ask for an appointment. We don't just want to keep in touch with your people. We want to create hot leads and ultimately transactions. So you have a radical return on investment for this program, as many people are experiencing, okay? So be aware that we're going to send out these messages and you're going to get responses back by email or by text that are going to say, I'm interested, or let me know more, that kind of thing. It is your responsibility to reply to those. It's your database. It's your responsibility to reply to those, right? Now, if we catch them and see them, we try to let you know, but we're managing hundreds of databases here. So you need to spot them and reply quickly. Here's the key. The key is the 5-minute rule. If you respond to a lead within 5 minutes, your ultimate close rate is more than 800%. So for example, let's use LionDesk as an example. If you're on LionDesk with us, get the LionDesk app on your phone. And whenever a message comes in, you'll see it. It'll actually show a little alert. So you can keep on it and respond right back by text or email, which is wonderful. Right from your phone, you're dealing with new leads. The same is true, by the way, with other CRMs as well. It is your responsibility to get back to them. Here's the magic secret sauce. When you reply back, do not get into a conversation or engage the client. Book the appointment. The purpose of a lead is to get to an appointment. Some of you have seen that when we send out messages, it might say something like, "Hi, Sue, any interest in one-on-one coaching?" And if you reply to it, literally someone on our team replies back right away immediately saying, "That's wonderful. Are you available tomorrow at 2:30 for a free one-on-one coaching session with David?" With me, it says, right? Reply back immediately, book the appointment. "Hi, Sue, that's wonderful. Are you available tomorrow at 4:30 or 7:30? Would love to catch up with you." Book the appointment. Otherwise, you're going to get lost in a conversation by text and email. It will translate to no appointments and no transactions. Okay? Lastly, number 6, please share with us your victories. You're welcome to call our customer service line again, 909-265-4115. You can text them as well. Every time you get a hot lead, every time you get a close, would you please let us know, because we need to share this information to prepare you for what also happens in the database. Number 7, opt-outs. Opt-outs. When we send messages, there are going to be people that say, "Take me off your list." They're going to type back into the text, "Stop." They're going to type back in reply to the email, "Unsubscribe." And you're going to lose some names from the database. Listen to me carefully. I had somebody come up to me and say, "I don't know if I want to continue. I don't know about your program. I'm losing all these people." Buck up. Be a big boy and a big girl and pull up your britches, for Pete's sakes. This is how you build a business. Your job is not to close everybody that moves. Your job is to present to everybody that moves and let them select or deselect you. Opt-outs are a part of the game of business. If you don't get opt-outs this week, you're not marketing. Our job is to get to yes or no, not the stuff in between. Does that make sense? Oh, by the way, there was a professional who was in my home just 2 weeks ago who said somebody opted out by email and a couple days later called him up to refer him a client. Okay? I've had it happen before that people that have opted out of my database send me clients or even come back to coach with me later. Stop overthinking it. Your self-worth does not come from people that drop. It does not have anything to do with the validation of other people. You are bigger than your problems. You're bigger than the database. You know, the reason some people have trouble with, opt-outs is because you're not getting more leads. Some of you know me well and know I'm collecting leads on a weekly basis. I tell people, if I keep collecting more leads than all of my clients combined, we got a problem. You've got to be constantly getting names, phones, and emails of new people to put in the database. Because when you do that, you don't care about who opts out. Last one for you. I don't want to spend too much time on this one. That's a rare thing when I hear that. Most people have success stories. This past week, 7 days, we have had in excess of 24 people share success stories with us on new leads and transactions in process. This database program has a huge return on investment. The reason I kind of hard sell it, because I love the concept of it, is because I know how strongly it works for me in my own coaching business. My question for you today is, what are you going to do the moment you end this video? I hope the answer is call our customer service line to either begin on or schedule your onloading or onboarding program to get this database program going. Have thick skin. Let's build. Not everybody has to do business with you, but let's get the message out there and let's start creating some transactions. Appreciate you all and look forward to your success stories.